Now we have a different scale, just a little bit more practice, and maybe some new things will show up on this short score. Again, we refer back to what we're doing. We're checking to see what scale it is. I'm going to tell you that it is a major scale, since we don't have the whole piece of music. We just have some sample measures. So what scale has F sharp? Remember, you look at your last sharp. This one is the first and the last. And you go up or to the right, if you're looking at a piano keyboard, to the next key, or a semitone away. So this is an F sharp, so if I go up, I'll land on G. So this is the scale of G. So the next thing we do, number 2, identify what you know about the triads in that scale. So I would suggest that you write it out with the triads. So here we have the scale, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, with the triads written above each note in the scale and labeled so that I have the major on the 1, 4, and 5, and my minors 2, 3s, and 6s, and the 7 is diminished and back to the 1. And so that is there to help me to see how to put my notes in skips. All right. So the next thing we do is we label the letter names. We're going to label the letter names. So let's label what we see here. Great big dogs fight animals. Great big. B and a D. And what do I have here? D. How many letters do we have in that measure? How many different letters? 2. Oh, how many do I need for a triad? 3. Then what do we do? Well, we have to decide what the implied note is. There's one that's being implied. It's not playing. No one's singing it. No one's playing it. But there is one that is implied. So that is the mission. What is being implied? And how do we decide? Because we've got possibilities.